Ever faced pesky duplicates in your Python lists? Here's the fastest way to solve it. Use a set. Sets automatically remove duplicate values, keeping only the unique elements. Just right. Unique underscore list equals list. Set your underscore list. That's it. Instantly, list contains only distinct values. Let's see with example of duplicate finder. I.e will get unique values from a list. Let us jump to VS Code.
The class duplicate finder is created to identify duplicate values in a list. Inside the find duplicates method, the program first prints a message indicating that duplicate checking has started. A try block is used to handle possible errors safely. An empty set called scene is then created to store unique titles. The program loops through each title in the titles list one by one. For every title, it checks whether the title already exists inside the scene set. If the title is already present, it is printed as a duplicate value. Regardless of whether it is a duplicate or not, the current title is added to the scene set so future comparisons can be made correctly. If any error occurs during execution, the except block catches the exception and prints an error message. Finally, a sample list containing duplicate values is created, an object of the duplicate finder class is initialized, and the find duplicates method is called with the titles list as input. There is correction. Let me replace the function name and now I will run the code. You can see the output printing duplicates.